we're going to show our faces because alam mo Hatid Saya, yes, we're back. Hatid Saya actually wants to show the close up mga mukha ng mga ating mga naggugwapuhan at saka nagagandahang guests. And we're talking about it, Tita Teresa, talking about Mr. Gleo Pangilinan.
Yeah, can you tell more about yourself, Gleo?
Hello po, yan ako po si Gleo. So, I started this music, as a musician, I started this journey ngayong last year, September. So, medyo kakalabas ko lang rin pong artist.
Wow, newbie!
So, how did you come about, becoming a musician? Did you start at an early age?
Siguro po, dahil laging may karaoke sa bahay.
You were born yung family mo, tugtugan, kantahan na lang doon, no?
So
nabubog yung tenga mo, no?
Tapos nung high school po, nagsimula akong sumulat ng mga kanta. Para
He writes well, Tito Bobby. Nakita ko yung mga preview ng mga sinusulat niya eh. Communication, compromise, whatever. Ang dami niyang nakasulat doon. Sabi ko, wow, ang gagaling nilang mag-express ng sarili nila.
Project po ang title.
Last, ibig sabihin.
X na po.
Okay.
So, ang title po ng project ko is Isandaang Kanta para kay Ali. So, currently po, officially, nakapang 20 na ako. Pero simusulat pa rin po towards...
Para sa kanya. So, are you not giving up? Parang nandiyan pa yung hope.
Actually, parang inisip ko na lang, pag nakarating ako sa Isandaang Kanta, this is my way of giving up. This is my way of letting go.
Oh,
this is my...
Kasi mo na kaganyan. Baka 100 taon ka
Hindi po, ang deadline ko lang po sa sarili ko is hanggang 2 years lang maximum.
You know, when I was also in early years, when I was courting girls, ang haba din ng pasensya ko, inabot ng 5 years, siya pa rin first love ko. Sabi nga, first love never dies. Kaya for all and on, I was wishing na magpapatuloy pa rin kami. But anyway, let's listen to your song.
Yeah, express yourself the way you like it.
How you verbalized, how you wrote the song, your expression into a song. Okay? So what's the title of your song again? 20?
Hindi, ang title po nitong unang kong kakantahin is Ali.
Ali, the name of the girl, yung ex niya.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the Gleo Pangilinan with the song Ali.
So, ito po ang ikalima.
Baka mamaya makulitan na rin ito sa yung Gleo. Ang gagawin.
Dedicate mo sa kanya, Ali, para sa ito.
Ali, this is for you.
Alam niya na po ito. So, this is my first song.
You're watching now?
Hindi po. Panigurado hindi.
Panigurado ayaw.
So, this is my first song I have ever written for her nung nagliligawan pa lang kami. Alright. So, this is Ali. Ikalima sa Isandaang Kanta para kay Alisa.
Ali.
When the time is right, when everything's alright, when you can find it in your heart, I'm the right one. When the heart beats so loud that drowns out the crowd, when you can see it in your eyes, I'm the only one. Can you stay, baby? Can you stay until we're old? Can you stay, baby? Can you stay until we're old? Oh, let me say 1,000,000 lifetimes might never be enough. When the wind blows just right and the clouds clears up the skies, when the moon shines its light and stars fell for us. I must say, you look so beautiful tonight. Lucky's the man who holds your heart. Can you let me hold it? I'll keep it safe. Can I ask you? Can you stay, baby? Can you stay until we're old? Can you stay, baby? Can you stay until we're old? Oh, let me say a million lifetimes might never be enough. It's never enough for me. Me was in love with you. Thank you, Bob.
Yun na pala yun.
Grabe, no?
Live from Quezon City, Philippines. Your news, current affairs, and public service channel, Margo TV Philippines. Live